Guys, I'm with the princess today. What was that? Hi, princess.
Hello.
What's up, princess? You ready for the road trip?
Yeah, of course I'm ready for the road trip.
Hold the camera.
Okay. It just cut off. Daddy. Dad. It just cut off.
No, it's on.
Oh. I can't see the screen. But we're on a road trip today. And honestly, I think it's gonna be very fun. So yeah. They decorated their house so nice. But we're just chilling. Oh yeah. Wait. What's the channel name again? What is the channel name again?
MVision.
What?
MVision.
And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to MVision channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification button. Those lines are so squiggly, it looks so cool. That's so cool. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna say make sure you subscribe to all of hit. So what do you call yourself?
I don't know what you're talking about around there.
Like I want to say like make sure you subscribe to all of his channels. Like I don't know what to say. Actually, I don't know what to say. I'm seeing blank right now. So I don't know what I'm doing right now.
You don't need to hold the camera in your face like this. Don't hold the camera in your face. Hold it away like this.
Like this?
Yeah, you don't need to be like this.
They're gonna have a jump. They're gonna have a jump. They're gonna have a like what's it called again? A jump scare. But guys, these trees look nice. I'm not gonna lie. If I was a squirrel, I would love to stay right here. And make sure you subscribe to all of his channels. If you see all of his channels, and if you do see all of his channels, that is good. But yeah. Look at the rose. That right there is making like a little heart. That house right there is making a little heart. It's so cute. But yeah. Sorry, this camera angle is very bad, guys. But play that good at speaking.
You're quiet on your vlog.
I'm not that good at speaking. I'm not that good at speaking.
You're not that good at speaking.
I don't know what to say to them. But you guys, we're just
don't know
chilling.
what to say to y'all, bro.
We're just chilling like some villains.
Yeah.
And again, make sure you guys hit that notification button, that like button, and that bell.
That's all you keep telling YouTube to do. Make sure they subscribe.
Yes, they have to
Oh, you know, easy.
subscribe. If you don't
Hear my dad
subscribe,
just make sure son is subscribe. Make sure son is subscribe.
yeah.
Yeah,
Make sure y'all subscribe, or else y'all gonna see a spider in y'all bed. You know, I'm gonna punch y'all. Punch y'all to the next direction. Can't talk today. Wow.
That's a lot on.
The road looks very nice, you know.
With no traffic.
No traffic at all.
That's the only time the road is nice and it's still not nice.
Cause yes, every time the road is traffic,
It's
thank
never
you.
nice. Yeah, everybody's nice.
That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say it. I don't know what to say, so I'm just gonna say that. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say, if you're not in America, and you're in a different like city, right? Like our country, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
But you don't need to tell them to subscribe that much time.
I don't know what to say.
Well, that's true. You don't need to tell them that much time to subscribe. They'd be like, why are you telling me to subscribe so many times? I only can subscribe one time, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
But like, they need to know that they need to know that they need to subscribe to all of the channels, not one.
Yeah.
All of them. How much channels do you have in here?
I have a couple of channels.
How much?
A couple of them. Yeah.
Like, so make sure you subscribe like to the I don't know. Make sure you guys subscribe to all of them. I don't know how to keep on saying this, but yeah.
But I gotta add them. I gotta add the channel links so they could go over there. But yeah, first they need to subscribe to this channel.
Yeah.
Then they could get to the other ones. Until then,
First, guys need to subscribe to this channel, then you can get to the other one.
yeah. Subscribe so they can see around Brooklyn, alright?
Yes.
Okay, that's just
And
it.
if you guys want more videos like this, hit that like button.
Okay.
And if you guys want more videos like this,
My God.
I told you I don't know what to say.
If you want your subscribe button, yo. What call your channel subscribe button? Yo. Oh my God. Yo. You are funny. Got a cabin.
Yep.
Market.
Okay, y'all can tell me.
You go
Okay,
to
stop
the Church
saying
Avenue. Hold up. Go to the audio right there, Church Avenue. Get you a